Hey guys, today I've got an Amana matching electric washer and dryer set. It's in like new condition, and I want to show you real quick, as if you were standing here yourself testing it out, that everything works perfect on them. Let's see, first thing we're going to start with here is just show you that water comes in, so we'll go ahead and pull this out. See this filling up with water. Everything's nice, super clean on it. The washers get a 28-point inspection. That's mechanical, electrical, make sure everything works good on them. The dryers get a 22-point inspection. So everything gets tested, and then of course run a few loads through them to make sure everything works great. Now this set actually came from a friend who's moving, so I know firsthand that this set is in excellent condition. I've gone ahead and cleaned them up. There was nothing to be done to them, so these didn't need to be refurbished or repaired or anything. So, but still, the purpose of the video is just so you know when you buy it, take it home, plug it in, it's going to work perfect. So, like I said, you can see it's pulling in the water, filling up. And then we'll go over here just to the, let's kick it over here on the final spin. You can hear it draining. You can hear it draining out the water. Right through here. Pump's working great, getting all the water out. And it's going to take just a minute for it to get to full speed on the spin cycle. But I'm going to lift this lid up and show you that it is spinning nice and fast. You can see it's got nice smooth operation. Then that the lid switch also works to go ahead and shut it down. Nice and fast shutdown there. So there you have it on the washer. That's all the main things. Fills up with water, drains out the water, nice smooth spin cycle. Then we'll switch over here and show you that the dryer works, and I'll show you that the dryer is heating appropriately also. Okay guys, now we have the Amana matching electric dryer. As you can see, it is also in like new condition. And we are going to go ahead and just put that on time dry, hit go. See, it sounds great. Nice smooth operation. Then I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to be. So in between my two red dots there is where it's taking its measurement. About 65 degrees out here. So we're going to open this up and we're going to shoot this right into the heating element tube. You can see plenty of heat in there. And essentially what you're going to get is that tube can get anywhere up to 300 degrees. That the inside of your dryer is going to get anywhere from 95 to 195. Just depends on what you have the heat setting at. And that's all controlled right here. High heat, low heat, air dry, wrinkle free. I mean, it's all there. And once it's done, it has the end of cycle signal too. So there you have it on that. Do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. Thanks. Have a great day.